What's up guys, welcome to another video. It is currently 8:06 in the morning and we are headed to Cars and Coffee, but not for the car obviously. It is motorcycle day there today, so I figured I would check it out. On the way there I got to take a little bit of highway, so I guess you guys will also get a highway test. That might be the topic of today's videos, or one of them. So yeah, we'll see how she does and take you guys along for the ride. Here we are cruising at an indicated 72, 70. Obviously the wind is a factor, and I'm at 7,500 RPM. Right there I had it pegged at 85, and I wasn't really limited by RPM. I was limited by the wind resistance. So people have said that you're really limited by the wind resistance for the top speed of the KLX, and that certainly is true. So I think if I put a 13 tooth on the counter shaft, I should get a little bit higher top speed, because that extra gearing will allow me to help fight some of that wind resistance. Alright, so now we got probably a 5-mile stretch of highway before we get to Cars and Coffee. So we'll go ahead and see how it does. So far it's not too bad other than the wind, but I think if I was wearing a more street-oriented helmet, the wind would be a little better. It's also a good idea to get earplugs, but right now I'm just hanging out in the right lane, just kind of cruising along. Gonna get over one lane, avoid some traffic here. A little bit of passing power here. So even though you have to be in the right lane, you don't necessarily have to get stuck behind some cars unless you live in California and everybody's going 70, 80 miles an hour. But here in Oregon on the interstate, people are going about 60, 65 in the right lane. Then you got a little bit of room to get some passing going. Alright, here we are off the highway. So overall not too bad. It was just a short highway trip. Definitely get some earplugs for the trip if it's pretty long. Also, you want to get a better seat for your highway trip. if you have to be on the KLX for any longer than an hour, because for me the stock seat isn't that comfortable. But once we get here, we'll see how motor feels. It doesn't really feel like there's that much heat coming off of it right now. When we get here, we'll see how busy it is. Hopefully get some good cinematic shots for you guys. Some of the cars and motorcycles. Then after that, go ahead and head on out. Alright, here we are.
Sometimes I got these ugly thoughts up in my mind. I got that angel and the devil by my side. Ask me how I'm doing, bitch, I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine, yeah, I'm doing fine. I'ma make them all believe before I die, yeah. I'm the king of all this shit, I swear that I am. Say I'm such a fucking critic, I know I am. I know that, yeah. I'm the greatest, yeah, I'm the greatest, bitch. My competition, they don't fit that niche. You could try to take a shot at me, I will not flinch. I try to jack at my sound and then I flip that script like I ain't doing no favors. See me walk around with all that moolah, baby. Girl talking to me, telling me that I was a savior, yeah. Yeah, I think I'm a taker. Pulling swerving, yeah, my Reebok's dirty. Had to take a step back, so I flew that birdie. Off of one now, so my vision blurry. R.I.P. to Mac, had to rip that jersey, yeah. I ain't got no worries, I know that I'ma make it, I ain't in no hurry. You think this money dirty? Just take up to my attorney, yeah. Sometimes I got these ugly thoughts up in my mind. I got that angel and the devil by my side. Ask me how I'm doing, bitch, I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine, yeah, I'm doing.
Alright guys, we are leaving Cars and Coffee, motorcycle day. Gonna go ahead and head back on the highway. And I hope you guys enjoyed some of the cinematic stuff, cars and motorcycles, that I was able to get. I kinda wanna check something out here. Sure what this is, but Alright, figured I'd mess around here real quick.
That was like fun.
Yeah. See, we got someone else here. Alright, had to have a little fun there. See, all those guys got street bikes there. And I like street bikes, but I also like dirt bikes, dual sports. Because if you see something like that on the side of the road, you just do it. Just like that guy said. He said, "Oh, that looks like fun." I said, "Oh yeah, it sure is." Now we'll head back here on the highway and continue the video bit. Alright guys, here we go onto the freeway. That was a fun event, Cars and Coffee. I usually don't go to it unless it's a special day, like Corvette Day, Motorcycle Day. But I didn't expect there to be that many motorcycles there, so that was fun. And I got to see a few bikes there, as well as cars that it's cool to see in person. Like I was getting ready to leave, and then I saw a Viper pull in, so I had to get some shots of that. And then the ZX14, saw one of those, KTM Adventure R. And then there was, of course, that jet bike. That was super cool. It wasn't as loud as I expected, but it definitely was loud. The camera's not going to do that justice. And then the one Ducati that I caught rolling in on the GoPro, that one was pretty loud. You could hear him coming from down the street. There was a KTM RC390, that was pretty cool. Fan of all bikes. It'd be cool to have a 400 sport bike just to mess around on the streets. Oh yeah, and then there were Husqvarna 501 and 701 Supermotos, a KTM 690 SMC Supermoto. Alright guys, so here I am in the second lane from the left. Traffic is kind of moving at a slower pace. I guess this is moving by Oregon standards. So this is normal traffic, and here I am keeping up with traffic, even had a little bit of room to pass some people. The bike's at probably 6,500, 7,000 at an indicated 66, which is really about 60 miles an hour with the speedometer air. So for speeds like this, 60 to 65, actual speed, maybe even 70, you got some room to play with the KLX. And of course I do have the stage 1 mods, I'll call it. So that helps up top a bit, but I think and I could be all wrong here, but I think the 13 tooth will probably help it on the highway, because when you go to pass someone, you won't be limited as much by aero. You'll have some of that gearing to help pull you through the wind, especially with the mods I have done to it. The highway isn't too bad on the KLX. Of course, it's not going to be super fast like a 600 sport bike or even a 600 dual sport, but it does pretty well. The only thing is that the wind noise. Yeah, I figured this guy's gonna come in front of me here. The wind noise is something you need to deal with earplugs or a good helmet. Overall, I'd say it's definitely manageable if you have to use it for a stint of maybe 10 to 15 miles, maybe 20. So I'll do another test when I put on the 13 tooth sprocket, because as of right now, that's my plan. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Share the video to those who may find it useful or enjoy it. It was a fun day at Cars and Coffee. Hope you enjoyed some of the cinematic stuff. Subscribe if you are not. And with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.
I stand 10 toes down, AK-47 with 100 rounds. Bullet cases hit the ground, got me running and gunning until the drum runs out.
Alright guys, here we are after the outro. Hope you guys enjoyed a little change of pace. Some of these videos that I've been doing recently have been doing the first ride and first off-road ride with the stage 1 stuff. This was a bit of a highway test, but it's also just another fun video going to Cars and Coffee, so I'm sure some of you guys will be here to see the highway test. Some of you guys will be here just to see another fun video, so I hope I satisfied both of those conditions. I'm always interested to see who's watching until this point, so if you are still watching, go ahead and comment Bikes and Coffee instead of Cars and Coffee. With that, that's going to be the official end to this video. Thanks for sticking around if you are right now. See you guys next video.